Before we start this episode, I must report to you the price of this drone. The DJI Avata 360, which is DJI's first panoramic drone, has a standalone price of 2,788 yuan. Its screen control fly more combo is priced at 5,488 yuan. Its motion flight combo, which includes goggles and a joystick, is also 5,488 yuan. You should know that this is 1,500 yuan cheaper than the mini-series Fly More combo.
DJI really set a price that none of us expected. Clearly, this is no longer just flipping the table, it's standing up and smashing it.
First, I want to make it clear to you that this drone, which looks similar to Avata and is also named Avata, actually has a different concept from the previous series. When you want to operate Avata 2, you first need flight goggles paired with a control joystick or handle to take off, but Avata 360 can be flown directly using a regular remote control, which means the flying experience you accumulated with aerial drones can be seamlessly transferred to the 360. The feeling of flying it is just like an ordinary aerial camera. You can adjust pitch, roll, and zoom. But remember, this is a flying panoramic camera, so all your operations on the remote control are actually virtual. When you import into DJI Studio, the footage will automatically match the camera movement effects at the time. You can choose the camera's shooting perspective or a free perspective. Of course, it's precisely because of the flat design that it can completely eliminate the body during shooting, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the 8K panoramic view. So the question arises, how is its image quality? It is clear that as a master of supply chain management, DJI will not easily give up the imaging module of the Osmo 360 in one. Naturally, the Avata 360 inherits the dual 1 1/3 inch sensors, achieving a maximum shooting specification of 8K at 60 frames per second. But there's one premise you need to know. Its imaging module is actually similar to an action camera. Even if you compare it with an aerial camera with a similar sensor size, you can see the difference in image quality, so it's not really comparable horizontally. The advantage of Avata lies in maintaining image quality close to yours while also having unlimited freedom in composition. Actually, I mainly want to praise the gimbal design. This rotatable structure automatically flips upward during landing, serving as a landing gear. If you still want a regular racing drone, it can also flip down and switch to single lens mode. And most importantly, the lens can be replaced. As someone who has crashed and replaced panoramic camera lenses before, shouldn't I test this thoroughly? Okay, now the scratches on this lens are about done, so let's start the lens replacement plan. Box. Let's talk about its smart features. What you can notice is that its body is not covered with fisheye lenses, so how does it achieve omnidirectional obstacle avoidance? The answer lies in the two 1-inch panoramic lenses. DJI used the same design concept as the Mavic 4 Pro, utilizing the visual obstacle avoidance algorithm formed by the combined field of view of the two lenses above and below. The advantage of this combination is that it saves costs and reduces weight, while greatly enhancing the flight assistance imagery, which has finally become full color. However, the downside is that it only works during panoramic video shooting and only supports forward perception in single lens mode. Fortunately, I mostly use the panoramic mode, so this issue doesn't affect me much. However, thanks to this panoramic mode, one feature has received a significant upgrade, which is the intelligent tracking. Okay, our drone has already followed our subject. Let's first test its dynamic follow shot capability in this panoramic mode.
I go left, I go right. I stroll. Lost it, didn't lose it, it turned back. Even when I'm very close, like this, in this situation, flippin' Neo can definitely lose track.
Really can't shake it off. I really tried my best. Let's summarize. I think Avata 360 is only suitable for two types of people: complete beginners and experienced aerial photographers. Just think about it. Avata 360 offers the same operating experience as a drone, and it is very compatible with the remote control. It has stabilization and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. These beginners don't want to edit on a computer, they just need to open DJI Fly on their phone for editing, and then they can share it on social media. Isn't this very suitable for beginners? On the other hand, if an experienced aerial photographer is tired of large, medium, and small drones around them and wants to try the visual impact of ultra-wide-angle aerial photography, and they have enough remote controllers to meet the requirements for 360-degree compatibility and are willing to use DJI Studio for panoramic video editing, then isn't it also suitable for experienced users? So what do you think of this first drone released after the new regulations of the year 26 were implemented?
I really hope DJI can use this uniquely shaped and value-priced drone to revive the recently sluggish aerial photography market. Thank you for watching this episode. This is XL Vision. See you in the next video.